Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making a very quick and easy shrimp sauce and white rice. This is a 2-in-1 video. I'm going to show you how I cook my white rice and how to make a very easy shrimp sauce. This tasted so good and so delicious. So if you're interested, keep watching. For this recipe you will need your shrimps, which is our main ingredient here. We are going to be using some ginger, Scotch bonnet pepper, onion, red bell peppers, fresh tomatoes and celery stalk, some olive oil, some bay leaves, some paprika powder, curry powder, thyme, some seasoning cubes, salt, and finally our rice. I'm going to be using basmati rice for this recipe because it tastes better with the shrimp sauce. You can use any type of rice you like. So to cook my white rice, the first thing I'll do is to pour hot water over the basmati rice. Because I'm using basmati rice, I don't need to parboil it, but if I'm using the regular rice, I will parboil it first before cooking it. So I'm going to leave the rice there in the hot water, then I'm going to add some water in my pot, allow it to boil. So once the water boils, I'm going to wash the rice properly with a cold water and then add it into the pot. Add some salt. You can add salt according to your taste. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, and this olive oil is going to help keep the rice separate even when it is cold. Now we are going to cover the rice and allow it to cook until it cooks evenly. So while the rice is cooking, we are going to prepare our sauce. We're going to wash all the peppers, ginger, tomatoes, cut them into small pieces and blend them. You should blend them not to be too smooth, just like what you saw. And now we are going to heat up some olive oil in a pot. Add 1 bay leaf. Remember to wash your bay leaf. Add some thyme and stir it a little bit. Now after about 10 seconds or 20 seconds, you can add the onion. Just slice up some onion and add into the pot. Saute the onion for 30 seconds before you add in the shrimp. So I just added the shrimp and I'm going to keep stirring this for about 3 minutes. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to carefully remove the shrimp from the pot, just the shrimp alone. Now we are going to add our blended peppers, ginger, onion, red bell pepper without the celery. I sliced the celery, which I added into the pot together with the onion. So you are not supposed to blend the celery with the peppers. So we are going to let this cook until all the liquid dries up. Remember, you are not supposed to add water while blending the peppers, okay? Make sure you don't add water. So once the water is all dried up, as you saw earlier, I opened the pot to show you and the water has not yet dried up, so I had to cover it and let it cook more. So now the water has dried up and I'm going to start adding my seasonings. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of curry powder. I'm making just a little sauce. If you're making a large quantity of sauce, you can add more ingredients. After adding the curry powder, I added about 1 tablespoon of the paprika powder. I added my Knorr cube, and I'm going to add some water, just a little water which I use to rinse my blender. So I'm going to add the shrimp now, and I'm going to mix everything together. Add about half a cup of water. If you want your stew to be light, you can add more water, but I want it not too light and not too thick, so I added half a cup of water. Added more salt. Now I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, this is our rice. It's all done now. It's evenly cooked, as you can see. So this is how I cook my white rice, whether I'm using regular rice, basmati rice, or any type of rice, and this method works just fine for me. This is the method I've been using to cook my rice for a very long time. So after about 5 minutes, our stew is ready. You can taste it. If it's not ready yet, you can cook it more, but mine is ready at this point. So I'm just going to add some color to it by adding some chopped green bell pepper, just to add a little bit of color and make it look even more beautiful and attractive. So yeah, this is our quick and easy white rice with shrimp sauce. It was so delicious. We all enjoyed it. You should give this recipe a try and let me know what you think about it. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I really do appreciate. Thank you so much. I will see you all in my next video. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.